In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a time tracker in Notion. We'll start right inside Notion, and the goal is to get a ready-made time tracking system into your workspace quickly, then tailor it so it fits how you work. This approach keeps things simple and avoids building everything from scratch. First, look to the very top left corner of Notion and open the drop-down arrow. This is the workspace and page switcher, and it's also where Notion gives you shortcuts to helpful resources. Expanding it makes it easier to find the next option we need. From there, choose Templates. This opens Notion's collection of pre-built pages and databases you can add with a click. If you're on the web, you may see a prompt to explore the full gallery. Go ahead and proceed so you're viewing the complete template gallery. Inside the gallery, you may see featured categories and spotlights, but the fastest route is the search bar. Click into search and type time tracker. If you don't see exactly what you're after on the first try, try similar terms like time tracking or time log. This narrows the results to templates that already include properties like start time, end time, and duration. When you see a time tracker template that looks right, open it to preview. Scroll through the example entries, views, and properties to make sure it matches the way you want to capture time. If it includes a database with multiple views, like a table for detailed logging and a board for project grouping, that's a great starting point. Next, click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion may ask where to place it. Choose a page or project space that makes sense for your workflow so you can find it easily later. The template will appear with sample content you can use as a reference. Now edit the template so it fits you. Rename the page and database to something clear, like time tracker or work log. Open the database properties and adjust fields you need. Task, project, start, end, duration, notes, or tags. If there's a duration formula included, keep it. If not, you can add it later. Tidy up the views by renaming them, hiding properties you don't use, and reordering columns so start, end, and duration are front and center. If you track different types of work, add a select or multi-select property for categories and color code them for quick scanning. Finally, create a sample entry to confirm the layout feels right and that any formula fields calculate as expected. And that's it. Your time tracker is dated, customized, and ready for consistent, accurate logging inside Notion.